Hello, Agent. You've been chosen for an elite opportunity. Should you choose to accept it, you will join our drone command team. As part of this team, you will learn how to control drones through the use of programming and other skills to make you an elite drone commander. If you accept this mission, please report to our Drone Command Center, where Agent X93 will train you and instruct you on how to control and fly these very amazing machines. Before you report, make sure you've passed basic safety training from the Unmanned Safety Institute. I wouldn't want you showing up and getting anyone hurt. Good luck, Agent.